Hello Galactics, today we are going to explain properties of ratio. To compare between two quantities using ratio, they must have the same unit. The ratio between two quantities has no unit. Measuring unit and their converting rules. The first one, the length unit. So, the bigger one, kilometer to meter. If I want convert from kilometer to meter, I make multiplying by 1000. And if I want convert from meter to kilometer, I make divided by 1000. And if I want convert from meter to decimeter, I make multiplying by 10. And if I want convert from decimeter to meter, I make divided by 10. And then if I want convert from decimeter to centimeter, I make multiplying by 10. And if I want convert from centimeter to meter, I make divided by 10. And the last one, if I want convert from centimeter to millimeter, I make multiplying by 10. And if I want convert from millimeter to centimeter, I make divided by 10. So if I want convert from bigger unit to the smaller one, I make multiplying. And if I want convert from smaller unit to bigger, I make divided. Example, if I want convert kilometer equal dots meter, so from kilometer to meter I make multiplying because kilometer is bigger unit. So if I want convert from bigger unit to the smaller one, I make multiplying. So kilometer, I will write 9 multiplying by 1000 equal 9000 meter. 5 decimeter equal dots centimeter. If I want convert from decimeter to centimeter, from bigger unit to the smaller one, I make multiplying by 10. So 5 times 10 equal 50. The area unit. The area unit, the unit of area by square. So kilometer square to meter square, I make multiplying by 1 million. And from meter square to decimeter square, multiplying by 100. From decimeter square to centimeter square, I make multiplying by 100. And the last one, from centimeter square to millimeter square, I make multiplying by 100. And if I want convert from the smaller unit to bigger unit, I make divided. So if I want convert from meter square to kilometer square, I make divided by 1 million. From decimeter square to meter square, divided by 100. From centimeter square to decimeter square, I make divided by 100. And from millimeter square to centimeter square, I make divided by 100. Weight unit. So if I want convert from 10 to kilogram, from bigger unit to the smaller one, so I make multiplying by 1000. And from kilogram and to 10, I make divided by 1000. And if I want convert from kilogram to gram, I make multiplying by 1000. And from gram to kilogram, I make divided by 1000. Exercise 8 kilogram equal dots gram. If I want convert from 8 kilogram from kilogram to gram, I make multiplying by 1000. So I will write 8 times 1000 equal 8000 gram. 510 equal dots kilogram. 510, if I want convert from 10 to kilogram, I make multiplying by 1000. So I will write 5 times 1000 equal 5000 kilogram. The capacity unit. You know, the unit of capacity is liter. And we have another nickname for liter, it's called cubic decimeter. And if I want convert from liter to milliliter, milliliter has another nickname, it's called cubic centimeter. So if you tell me liter or cubic decimeter, they are equal, and from milliliter to centimeter they are equal. So if I want to convert from liter to milliliter, I make multiplying by 1000. And if I want to convert from milliliter to liter, I make divided by 1000. The time unit. From year to month. So ask yourself, 1 year equal how many of month? 1 year is 12 months. So if I want to convert from year to month, I make multiplying by 12. And 1 month equal how many of day? 1 month equals 30 day. So I make multiplying by 30. And if you convert from week to day, 1 week equal how many of days? 1 week 7 days. So I make multiplying by 7. 1 day equal how many of hour? 1 day equal 24 hour. So I make multiplying by 24. And if I want to convert from hour to day, I make divided by 24. 1 hour equal how many of minutes? 1 hour equal 60 minutes. So if I want to convert from hour to minute, I make multiplying by 60. And if I want to convert from minute to hour, I make divided by 60. 1 minute equal how many of second? 1 minute equal 60 seconds. So if I convert from the bigger unit to the smaller one, I make multiplying by 60. And if I want to convert from second to minute, from smaller to bigger, I make divided by 60. The unit of land. So the bigger unit of land is fidden. It's called fidden. And 1 fidden equal 24 kirat. So if I want to convert from fidden to kirat, I will make multiplying by 24. And if I want to convert from kirat to fidden, I make divided by 24. And if I want to convert from kirat to the sum, the smaller unit of land, so 1 kirat equal 24 sum, so I make multiplying by 24. And if I want to convert from sum to kirat, I make divided by 24. And we have exercise. 4 fidden equal how many of kirat? If I want to convert from bigger unit of fidden to kirat, I make multiplying by 24. So 4 multiplying by 24 equal 96. You can use your calculator and you get the answer. 120 kirat equal that's fidden. So I will convert from kirat to fidden, from smaller to bigger unit. I will make divided by 24. So I will write 120 divided by 24 equal 5. You can use your calculator and get the answer. The money unit. LE it's mean pound to piasters. If I want convert from LE to PT, PT it's mean piasters. So from LE to PT I make multiplying by 100, and from PT to LE, from smaller to bigger, I make divided by 100. Find each of the following ratio in its simplest form. Letter A, 50 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Now look, we have different units. We have centimeter and we have meter. We said before, if I want to make a ratio, we must have the same unit. So the first step, I must convert from meter to centimeter. So 1.5 meter. If I want to convert from meter to centimeter, I make multiplying by 100. So 1.5 times 100 equal 150 centimeter. Then we have the same unit. We have 50 centimeter and 150 centimeter, and we must put the number by the same order. Then now we have the same unit. We have centimeter and centimeter. We must cross it. Then we have 50 to 150. So we must put a number in the simplest form. So I must make divided by 10 and give me 5 to 15, and then I will make divided by 5 equal 1 to 3. Letter B exercise. 350 gram to half kilogram. Look, we have the same unit? No, we have kilogram and gram. So the first step, I must convert from half kilogram to will be gram. If I want convert from gram to gram, from bigger unit to the smaller, I must make multiplying by 1000. So half kilogram equal half multiplying by 1000 equal 500 gram. Then we have 350 gram to 500 gram, and we must put the number by the same order. Now we have the same unit, we must cross it. Then we have 350 to 500. I must put a number in the simplest form. So I will make divided by 10 because the unit for both number is 0. So if I make divided by 10, it gives me 35 to 50. Now I make divided by 5 because common number in table 5, it gives answer, it will be 7 to 10. Letter C, 8 hour to today. Look, we have different unit is hour and day. I must convert a day to will be hour. 1 day equal how many of hour? 1 day is 24 hour. So I will convert 2 day equal to multiply by 24 equal 48 hour. So now we have the same unit, 8 hour to 48 hour. We have the same unit, we must cross it. Then 8 to 48, I must put in simplest form. I make divided by 8, it equal 1 to 6. Letter D, 3 years to 18 months. 1 year, we have different unit, year and month. So I convert a year to will be month. 1 year equal how many of months? 1 year equal 12 months. So I will convert 3 years to will be months. So 3 years equals 3 multiplied by 12 equals 36 months. Then we put the number by the same order, 36 months to 18 months. So we have the same unit, I must cross it. Then we have 36 to 18, I will make divided by 18 equal 2 to 1. Letter E, 1.5 hour to 54 minutes. Another, we have the different unit, we have hour and minute. So I will convert an hour to will be minute. Ask yourself, 1 hour equal how many of minutes? 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So 1.5 hour multiplied by 60 equal 90 minutes. Now we have 90 minutes and 54 minutes. Look, we have the same unit, we must cross it. Then we have 90 to 54, we must put in the simplest form. So I make divided by 9, then the answer will be 10 to 6. Now we have even number, so I make simplify, I make divided by 2, it will be 5 to 3. Letter F, 3 weeks to 24 days. We have different unit, we have weeks and days. So ask yourself, 1 week equal how many of days? 1 week equal 7 days. So I will convert 3 weeks to days. So I will write 3 multiplied by 7 equal 21 days. So we put the number by the same order. So I will write 21 days to 24 days. We have the same unit, I must cross it. Then we have 21 to 24, it's in table 3, I will make divided by 3, so the answer will be 7 to 8. Letter G, 12 carats to 1.25 fidin. So which is a bigger unit? The fidin. Fidin is a bigger unit. If I want to convert from fidin to carat, I make multiplying by 24. So 1.25 fidin multiplying by 24, and you can use calculator and give me the answer 30 carat. Then I must put the number by the same order 12 karat to 30 karat. Then we have the same unit, we must cross it. Then we have from 12 to 30. I make divided by 6, so the answer will be 2 to 5. 630 piasters to 9 LE. We have the different unit LE and piasters, and we must convert from LE to piasters. I make multiplying by 100. So 9 LE equal 9 multiplying by 100 equal 900 PT. Then we must put the number by the same order. 630 piasters to 900 piasters. We have the same unit, we must cross it. Then from 630 to 900 I make divided by 10, so make divided by 9, so the answer will be 7 to 10. 2500 kilogram to 1.75 ton. So I must convert from ton to kilogram. 1.75 ton equal, if I want to convert from ton to kilogram, I will multiply by 1000. So 1.75 multiplied by 1000 equal 1750 kilogram. Then we must write the number by the same order. 2500 kilogram to 1750 kilogram. Then we have the same unit, we must cross it. Then 2500 to 1750. We make divided by 10, so it will be 250 to 175. We make divided by 25, so the answer will be 10 to 17. Thank you, grade 6.